How to become an unstoppable Sigma male. The men who are living successful lives today have sacrificed a lot to be where they are. We may daydream about their lifestyle, but the truth is they've delayed gratification, enforced personal discipline, and take risks to be unstoppable. There are three categories of men: those who are good at what they do, those who are elites, and those who are completely unstoppable. If you're wondering what steps you can take to become an unstoppable Sigma male like the people you admire, then keep watching. Unstoppable Sigma males live in their own world. They're masters of their own fate. The only person they compete with is themselves. They always strive to become better than who they were just yesterday. Although they don't compete with anyone, their impressive efficiency forces other people to compete with them. Sigma males don't subscribe to the limiting beliefs that have prevented many men from reaching their potential. They have a mindset that makes them fearless in the face of any obstacle. Here are the 10 steps you can take to become an unstoppable Sigma male. Number 1. Develop a growth mindset. One of the most important steps you can take toward becoming unstoppable is the development of a growth mindset. A growth mindset simply means believing that you can become better over time with consistent efforts and discipline. Unstoppable Sigma males believe that whatever skill or talent they have can be improved limitlessly with effort. They don't believe in the mindset that they cannot improve their skills, otherwise called the fixed mindset. The benefit of the growth mindset is that it forces you to see failure as a phase on your journey to become better and unstoppable. Sigma males who have a growth mindset don't give up at the first sign of difficulty. When they fail, they don't sit and groan about how it's not meant for them. They learn every possible lesson, reflecting on them, and then they go again. The growth mindset helps Sigma males to remain persistent in everything they do because they're playing the long game. Number 2. Prioritize your purpose. Unstoppable Sigma males prioritize their purpose over every other thing in their life. They do this because they understand the significant amount of work required to pursue it. Hence, they can't afford any unnecessary distractions in their lives. You must put your purpose at the center of every decision you want to make if you want to be unstoppable. Every decision you make must contribute to the achievement of your purpose, or at the very least, it doesn't derail you from your purpose. This is not to say that other things such as friendships or romantic relationships are not important. However, making a romantic interest partner the center of your world will most likely make you needy and unattractive. Hence, prioritizing your purpose has the added benefit of making you super attractive to women. It shows you're a leader worth following. Number 3. Develop good and efficient habits. According to research, habits are responsible for 40% of what we do daily. Hence, our life is essentially a sum of our daily habits. The current position that you're in right now is a direct result of your daily habits. If you don't habitually eat healthy and exercise, how do you expect to lose weight? If you don't practice that skill every day or consistently, how do you expect to become good at it? If you don't develop a set of habits, how do you expect to become unstoppable? Dedicate some time and carry out an audit of your daily habit. Immediately getting rid of bad and unproductive habits will see you on the right track. Number 4. Prioritize your health. There's a popular saying that health is wealth. Unstoppable Sigma males are mentally, emotionally, and physically healthy. Many men make the right decisions to prioritize their purpose, but often fail to take their health seriously. What they fail to realize is that being healthy in all ramifications is one of the major pillars of being unstoppable. Unstoppable Sigma males get rid of toxic relationships to protect their sanity or mental balance. They eat healthy and exercise regularly to feel good and stay at the top of their game. Exercising can help you build a growth mindset and persistence because you soon realize that you get stronger the more you go to the gym. Number 5. Learn to rely on the opinion you have of yourself. If you want to become an unstoppable Sigma male, you must learn not to take care about what people say about you. You'll find it difficult to become unstoppable if you constantly seek the validation of people or strangers. Unstoppable Sigma males are masters of their own fate who don't let the opinions of others affect how they feel or act. If you rely on the validation of strangers to feel good or act, it means those strangers can control how you think and act. How can you become unstoppable and the master of your own fate if strangers on the internet control your every thought and action? Unstoppable Sigma males are different because they think for themselves. They value their own opinion over their lives. Number 6. Spend time with yourself. Many people rarely spend time with themselves. They're constantly busy with one social event after another. The little time they have to themselves is spent mindlessly scrolling through social media. To increase your chances of becoming an unstoppable Sigma male, you must learn to spend time thinking and reflecting. Spending quiet time with yourself helps you develop self-awareness. You can then make necessary changes to your life with your new self-awareness. Spending time with yourself can help you spot bad habits that are derailing from your purpose. It can help you reevaluate relationships that are only taking from you and not adding any value. Number 7. Don't think too much, act. Like with most things in life, balance is key. While it's important to spend time thinking and reflecting, it's important not to be caught in a thinking paralysis. Some people spend so much time thinking that they end up being paralyzed by it. They end up not acting. Unstoppable Sigma males are masters of taking action and learning from the mistakes that may come from it. They're willing to take calculated risks to utilize opportunities that have presented themselves. Unstoppable Sigma males understand that failing fast and learning from it is better than regrets. You must learn to act with incomplete information because most things or situations in life will never have the perfect time. Always waiting for the perfect time will keep you trapped. Number 8. Set smart goals. It's difficult to become unstoppable if you're not focused or have a clear direction of where you're going. Setting smart goals helps you become focused and efficient. In addition to prioritizing their purpose, unstoppable Sigma males utilize SMART goals to stay on track with their purpose. SMART goals have unambiguous small tasks with deadlines that need to be achieved. Each of these goals also have milestones to denote the successful completion of each goal. What this does is that it helps you see how far you've come and where you're headed. If you're failing on your SMART goals, then you know you're not on the right track. Number 9. Get rid of addictions. When you hear addiction, you probably think about smoking, drinking, or gambling. While these are dangerous vices, they're seemingly harmless addictions that you need to shed if you want to become unstoppable. Addictions such as playing video games, mindlessly scrolling through social media, watching YouTube, sleeping late, or partying are not compatible with unstoppable Sigma males. They prevent you from being focused under bad habits that determine the direction of your life. Number 10. Build friendships that bring value. The people you surround yourself with impact your life more than you know. Many of the points mentioned above are greatly influenced by the quality of the people you keep around. For example, you find it easier to break the addiction to video games if your friends prefer to spend their time investing in themselves by reading or practicing a skill. Quality friendships can be your support network when you feel like giving up. They'll encourage you to keep going when you need that extra motivation to reach the finish line. Are you already implementing any of these strategies in your life? What personal strategy are you implementing that has put you on the path to become unstoppable? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.